Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Siri and Search. This is where Spotlight Suggestions and Indexing live. Once here, make sure you locate the toggles labeled Suggestions and Search, Suggestions and Lookup, and Suggestions on Lock Screen. These control what Spotlight shows. You should turn those off first, because that removes proactive results and reduces indexing. Then, move on. The next step is to stop apps from appearing in. Once done with the global toggles, scroll down the Siri and Search screen to the app list. This is the critical middle step. For each app you don't want showing up, tap it and flip off Show in Search, Show App, and suggest shortcuts. This prevents Spotlight from indexing content or suggesting the app. Do this deliberately. Some apps are nested, so make sure to open each app entry. After you finish the list, Spotlight will have far fewer results and suggestions. To complete the process, restart your iPhone so the system rebuilds its index without the disabled items. This finalizes changes. If you still see results, go back to Siri and Search and recheck the app toggles. Sometimes an app re-enables suggestions after an update. Make sure iOS is up to date, and if you need stricter blocking, use screen time app limits or restrictions as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: rebooting and rechecking per app settings resolves most lingering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.